Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Philips Norelco Bodygroomer BG203942, skin-friendly, showerproof, beard and body trimmer and shaver. When you consider the cost of the device, and these flaws, you realize that it is not worth your time or money. There is some kind of manufacturing defect where the very ends of the cutting surface are not protected by the guard. The shaver is really gentle, and the Bodygroom Pro has a countering pivoting head that moves, making for a better shave. Like the written guide says, the trimmer works on dry hair and skin like a hot knife through butter. Don't get rash as bad as shaving with razor, and the trimmer end works great for trimming down the pubes evenly to a desired length if you don't desire to shave at all. The quality and style of the Norelco far exceeds what you would expect in a body groomer. However, once the battery had gone dead, it would not, and has not taken a recharge. Neither trimmer sides are strong enough to cut even thin facial hair without tugging and pulling out hairs. This is a beast when it comes to body shaving. You can get that perfect length of stubble anywhere and everywhere on your body. The second one, that is the newest top-of-the-line blade style, was good, but once it died and needed to be recharged for the first time, it didn't recharge. It's always a little nerve-wracking when there are mechanized devices with cutting heads in that region. But it makes it awkward when you're trying to shave certain areas at certain angles. You can register online, which you'll earn either an additional 6 months of warranty on the groomer, or a 15% discount on your next purchase of $100 or more at the Philips Norelco online store. Go ahead and get it if you aren't intending to get too close to the skin, but don't count on the foil side saving you any more trouble than going with the cream and razor might do instead. No cuts or pulls, and it's a little odd then wet and it's all good. And perhaps in the next model they'll make a lock switch so you can decide when you want the head to swivel or not. This is about as close as you can get to a regular blade razor, but with much less razor burn. They need to bump up the RPMs on the trimmer so that it can cut through hair without tugging. Battery life is great. The included stand holds it well and shuts off when it's charged fully. The unit itself, the trimmer, not mine, feels good and sturdy in your hand and is a good size. Okay, mine could be described that way too. Lol. Look, as guys, we're never going to feel great about having sharp metal objects cutting that area. A total gimmick to try and get blade guys, maybe girls, too, to switch to a device. Okay, sure, for the twigs and berries guys it's better for whacking off 3 or 5 days growth, but with the cost. As an added perk, it fits comfortably in the hand and would actually make a good handle for a lightsaber. You would think that when you pop the unit into the base it would slide or fall out, but it grips it firmly, and the indicator light lets you know it's charging, finished charging. If you are looking to get a close enough shave that feels smooth, this works. The trimmers are handy, but buyer beware. The shaver is about as rough a shave as you can imagine. It is harsh on your face, and would not likely satisfy you for a daily shave. That said, the beard trimmer does such a nice job it's worth ignoring the top side of the shaver if that's all you're after. It took less than an hour to charge fully right out of the box, which is nice. As the name says, this is not for the face, it is for everything else. But for the groin area, that takes a little practice if you are doing it yourself. Remember, that area has not seen the light of day since you were 11 years. Here is a tip. Make sure your partner is in a real good mood. If not, get some band-aids ready. This unit only stays charged for about 6 months before you have to change it out under the warranty through Philips. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.